Hello guys, it's me, US Towards Fixtures here, and today we're gonna do a shout out to AFT Plumbing. So he has cool videos, cool toilet videos. Let me see. Yeah, he has cool videos here, and cool intro stuff. Cool. Not intros, like he has cool stuff here. Wait, let's watch this video here.
Hey, what's guys? Off the toilet, go for a bathroom.
See, I wrote this comment like a year ago.
Yes, bathroom.
Look. Look what he said. Look. Ramon Gomez 2015-16. You're the same person as Ramon Gomez 2010 March 11. That's spastic. I noticed that. But I'm gonna write this comment. My voice sounds a little different in the beginning. Wait, where's still beginning one? Beginning of 2017. My voice started changing. There, it's okay. So this is all I'm gonna store. So hope you guys enjoy this channel, enjoy this video. Please give it a like and press the subscribe button. Bye guys, and hope you like my video.